If you're earning, again, I would say 40 or 50,000 euro, and you're going to leave that job and go into self-employment, the first thing is to know exactly how much you need to earn, to be able to continue living whatever level of lifestyle you want to live. The second thing is to understand all of the fixed costs that are associated with having a practice. So you're talking about basic things. Are you renting a room? Are you paying for a referral service? How much is your annual membership costing you? How much is your insurance costing you? How much is your supervision costing you? How much do you spend on books? And I think this is a secret addiction that so many wellness professionals have. If I look at the amount of unread books I have on my Kindle that I have bought and on my bookshelves, I think we could all have a swap shop for years and never have to pay for another book. But that's all part of your continuous professional development and can be charged to your practice, which in turn allows you to actually offset it against your taxes. So here we are now, we're going to talk about the VAT threshold.
Okay.
Now, in Ireland, and if you're not in Ireland or the UK, this may be called sales tax wherever you're based, but you need to know what your VAT or sales tax level is for providing a service. In Ireland, a product is vatable at 23%. Jude, is that correct at the moment?
It's 21. It's been reduced because of COVID, but it's 21. Yeah,
21%. And for a service, 13.5%. But has that been
13.5? No, it's 13.5%. Supervision services are 0 rated.
Okay, so if you're a supervisor,
you
don't charge VAT, but if you are a therapist at the moment, you do have.
Well, it's not to do with whether you're it's to do with the service. So you could be a supervisor, but if you are seeing therapy clients, that's 13.5%.
So your supervision clients are 0 VAT and your therapy clients are 13.5% VAT.
That's right, yes.
Okay. So straight away you can see that it's important to understand what the situation is in your jurisdiction, what the rate of VAT or sales tax is, and in which instance do you actually apply it. We have this in our company because we provide education and training.
Yes.
0 VAT rated, but there are other services we provide that we do have to charge VAT for. So being very clear on that. Now, the VAT rate in Ireland to register for VAT and be VAT registered as a business, and remember you are a business owner, is lower. It's below 40,000 euro here in Ireland. It's
37.5, yes.
37,500.
And that's before expenses, Emma. So that's your gross fees coming in. Yeah.
That's every penny coming in to your practice. You don't get to deduct anything from that before you start being eligible to pay VAT. So really, to me, unless you are actually planning on running your practice as, and I like to call it, an expensive hobby, you probably need to be registered for VAT. If you want to earn a good living out of this and be able to take out 30 or 40,000 gross as your salary, which then has to be taxed, remember, and that's, after VAT, you really need to understand about the VAT threshold and how that all works and what you can deduct against it and how to do your expenses and all of that thing. Now, what's really important here, Jude, is this isn't actually that difficult to learn. Sure, it's not.
No, it's not. Again, it comes back to having a system to manage it, learning the basics of it, setting up a simple little system to record it and putting it in place.